Hi, good morning. In this video, I would like to show you how to extract the data from the PDF to Excel. So, when you have Excel sheet and saved PDF, just get the choose the data option, then select the option Get Data, and choose the file. And now I would like to show from the PDF. Here is my PDF. Then you can choose whatever the PDF the data you want to import, just select. Then you get an option like this, then choose which are the exact data you want to grab from the PDF to Excel. I want to select multiple items, so these are my serial numbers, serial number 1 2. So there are few blocks which are really not required, so I'm not selecting them. So I'm selecting all the necessary data to import to Excel. That's it. Import. Here you go. You got all the data into Excel.